How do colonial histories impact Nordic studies research in Unmapping Scandinavian? Colonial histories play a significant role in shaping Nordic studies research, particularly in projects like Unmapping Scandinavian. This topic invites us to rethink how we view Nordic countries and their past. For a long time, many believed that countries like Denmark, Norway, Sweden, and Finland were mostly innocent of colonialism. However, this view is changing. From the 17th century onward, Nordic countries were involved in various colonial activities. They participated in the transatlantic slave trade and governed colonies in places like the Caribbean and Africa. For instance, Sweden owned Caribbean islands such as St. Barthélemy, which became a center for the slave trade. Denmark-Norway controlled Greenland and had colonies in the Caribbean, where their policies had lasting effects on the Inuit population. These colonial histories challenge the idea that Nordic societies are purely egalitarian and neutral. The traditional focus on social equality often leads to ignoring issues of race and colonialism. This can create a blind spot regarding the experiences of indigenous and minority groups, such as the Sámi and Afro Nordic communities. In Nordic studies, researchers are now looking to decolonize knowledge production. This means they are critically examining how colonial power structures continue to influence academic practices and societal attitudes. Scholars are questioning the dominant narratives that have shaped our understanding of history. They are also working to include indigenous and marginalized voices in their research. Another important aspect is reframing Nordic identity. Researchers are addressing the contradictions between the image of Nordic countries as progressive and their colonial past. This involves acknowledging their roles in colonial violence and economic exploitation. Practically, this shift means that projects like Unmapping Scandinavian aim to uncover the colonial connections of Nordic countries. They seek to document these histories beyond the myths that often surround national identities. By integrating diverse perspectives, researchers are challenging educational systems that have minimized or excluded colonial histories. This transformation is essential for creating a more accurate and inclusive understanding of Nordic societies. It opens up conversations about race, identity, and justice in the Nordic region. The ongoing process requires confronting uncomfortable truths about national histories and societal structures. As Nordic studies evolves, it is vital to recognize how colonial histories impact research. By embracing these complexities, scholars can contribute to a more honest dialogue about the past and its implications for the present and future.